Welcome to Tuesday Technical Talk. Today's topic is consolidation pattern, and I'm going to start this series of patterns which are called the price patterns. Earlier we did a pattern on candlestick, like a series of candlestick patterns called the Eastern patterns. These are called the Western patterns. Consolidation is the most simple and powerful tool or technique which you can use in trading. Let's talk about what is consolidation. Let's look at the buying example. When the price is not able to cross a particular level, which is the resistance, for a number of time like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means it's consolidating and then it breaks out. And that's the time you're going to buy. Now breakout should happen with high volumes. We can combine a lot of factors, but just understand the price part of it. So let's take some examples so that we understand better. The buy examples of consolidation pattern. The buy examples go sideways and then it breaks out with big candle, big volume. Right? That means it is going out of that range. It was tight like a squeeze, like a spring, and then it expands. And that's when you take this called volatility based trading or a breakout trading. And then it goes up and actually it takes support on the same. This is called CIP, change in polarity. It's a whole topic in itself. So the previous resistance now has become support. And look at this breakout, the big volume. In fact, in this range, what would be the RSI? 40, 60. What with the Bollinger Band? Squeeze. I'm combining. Now, I hope you understand the power of these tools and techniques we are doing in this series of videos, where you can connect the dots, how you can connect RSI with this, how you can connect Bollinger Band with this, how you can connect volume with this. And now it becomes a whole program, actually the course on technical analysis through this simple series of videos. Right? And also there is one thing called as false breakout. Look at where is the false breakout. There is one, this one. It's false breakout on the downside. This happens. So if you short here, you might have to get stopped out and then go again buy here. So this is example number one. There's another example and same pattern. Consolidation, breakout, same CIP, change in polarity, and again up. Now this may not happen every time. So we cannot just wait for it to happen. It may go like a rocket up, right? So look at the power. Here volume. So this breakout with price, pattern, volume, momentum, volatility, time and sentiment. Write down this again. There's a 7-step analysis you should be doing. What are the 7 steps? Price breakout. Pattern, the consolidation pattern. Volume, high. Then momentum is RSI. Then volatility is Bollinger Bands. Then time is time analysis. Maybe that's a slightly advanced topic. We'll talk about that later. And then the sentiment of the market. Now, in our country, the sentiment indicator is more or less like put call ratio or open interest. But in other markets, there are separate sentiment indicators altogether. Right? This was a side topic inside this Tuesday Technical Talk. Maybe we'll talk about this 7-step process later. But here we are talking about purely price pattern and volume. Right? So let's look at some more examples. Same. It also, the consolidation pattern is also called as rectangle pattern. Rectangle, like a rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then breakout with high volume. And that's a nice little opportunity to build positions and take this trade up. Right? So now, I know some of you are saying, oh, how do I exit? So haven't you seen the exit strategy video? I think which has got the maximum views out of all the Tuesday Technical Talk. So make sure you watch that video later, but focus on this one, consolidation pattern. It's more of about eye and brain coordination. Eye and brain coordination. The more you see the charts, the more you see the patterns. That's why I said if you want to become a good technical analyst, a good trader, you have to see 100 charts a day for 1 year and see the difference after 1 year and tell me how good is your analysis. Then charts will start talking to you. You will understand where the patterns are and what the stock are doing, and that will drastically improve your trading performance. Right? Look at this consolidation pattern, same. This is like, in our terms, we call it a 5-star trade. 5-star means this is a low risk, a breakout and high potential. Right, CIP. Then there is more consolidation pattern. Now consolidation pattern, if you observe, there are 2 types. One, it comes after a downtrend, consolidate, breakout. And one of the cases I showed you, let me go back. It's an uptrend, consolidation, breakout. So consolidation pattern can be as a reversal or as a continuation. That's one more thing you can learn from this video. So let's now go and check out the downside breakout. This consolidating and breaks down. So what are you going to do about that? You're going to go short, or you can buy puts, right? So let's check sell examples. Sideways and bam, goes down and goes down like a rocket, like a rocket down. And look at the volume. price, pattern, volume. Three things are confirming each other. 5-star trade, right? Of course, then you can combine RSI, goes below 40. You can combine Bollinger Band, squeeze breakout, consolidation. One. Now this consolidation on weekly charts. Now this much is almost like 7-8 months. So it consolidated that long and then it broke down. That means it's a major breakdown. Longer the period, stronger the move, right? And if you're liking all these terms which I'm using here, put that in the comment section. Don't miss out on that comments. I like to read your comments. I like to comment. I try to reply also. But I need your suggestions and I need your encouragement and your aha moments if you're watching this, that how did you like this new series and new way of presentation. And we covered a lot of topics, almost some of my premium content or premium program content also I'm sharing away freely on this series of videos, right? So make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe. So this is your weekly chart, another daily chart, perfect. Like this is like 5-star trade, like you don't need anything else. Look at the chart, how clean it is. Just the price and the volume. No moving average, no RSI, no candles, no Bollinger Band, no ADX, no any Elliott wave, any stuff. Only single time frame chart and a simple, nice little trade, right? Then again, look at this. That's amazing. That's one nice consolidation. And you know, one advanced tip. I think I gave this in one of the videos, which was trend channels maybe. If you see that last couple of times, it is not even touching that higher levels. That means the bias of this consolidation pattern is downwards. It's going to go down, and that's what happens here. And that time you go short in the market and look at that. So once you identify such a pattern, then you can confirm with volume, confirm with momentum also, right? So this is another consolidation pattern. There's a false breakout here. Look at this one false breakout, but it did not have that much volume, right? So that can filter out. But of course, if you false breakout, you go back, stop out. That's okay. And that's it. So I hope you learned a lot about this simple pattern, very powerful consolidation pattern. It happens on all time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. Longer the pattern, stronger the move. And by the way, we are very much near to our grand event, which is our flagship program called ABCT. Anybody can trade. Happening virtually now with some of the top speakers as keynote speakers coming to the event. Last time we had Gaur Gopal Das ji and also Vivek Bindra ji. And this time we are going to have another line of speakers. Plus, it's our favorite event. So don't miss out your tickets for ABCT. TheABCT.com is your link. And if you like this pattern, if you like consolidation, make sure you comment, like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, good luck and good trading.